Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. In today's tutorial we will explain how to choose who can see your posts on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Click on settings. Scroll down till we get privacy settings. Click on who can see your future posts. Then press on try it now. Let's write linked zone for example. After that, press on this icon. Here you can find several options which you can control who can see your posts on your Facebook. First one, public, mean anyone can see your posts. Second option, friends, means that only your friends will see your posts. Third option, friend except, means that all friends will see your posts except person which you select. Let's try. If we select this person, for example, and go back, it means that all friends will see post except this person which you select. Second option, specify friend, it means that your post will be only shown by specific friends which you select. Let's try this one. If we select, for example, for this, it means that only these friends will see your posts. Let's go back. Last option, only me, means that no one can see your posts and you only be able to see these posts. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to choose who can see your posts on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.